Okay, so first of all, we're going to set up some equations and first of all, let's define some variables. So I'm going to call the time Doug takes to paint a loan as TD, his rate at which he complete the project as RD, and the total work is going to be W, and the time that Beth takes to do the work, complete the project on her own is TB, and the rate at which Beth completes the project on her own is RB. So we have some variables defined. So first of all, we know that based on distance is equal to rate times time, or speed times time. We know that work is equal to TD times RD, and it is equal to TB times RB. We are also given from the question that Doug takes twice as long as Becky to complete the project. So that means that the time Doug takes is 2 times that of Becky. So we have this relation that TD is equal to 2 times TB. So if we plug that back in, we get that 2TB times RD is equal to TB times RB. We can cancel TB, and we get 2RD is equal to RB. Okay. So now let's go into the second sentence, which is together they can complete the project in 10 hours. So remember when we were talking about people working together, we're going to add their rates up. So the rates are, the rate total is going to be RB plus RD. And so work divided by RB plus RD is equal to 10, because the distance is equivalent to the work, by the way. So you call it work is equal to rate times time instead of, or distance is equal to speed times time. So that, now what we're going to do is we're going to plug in, or sorry, we can just multiply. First, let's multiply by RB plus RD on both sides. So W is equal to 10 RB plus 10 RD. So we're going to plug in RB is equal to 2 RDs. So 20 RD plus 10 RD is equal to 30 RD. Okay. So now we're going to set W equal to each other, different values of W. And the best way to do this is W is equal to TD times RD, and that's also equal to 30 RD. So now that gives us that TD is equal to 30 hours. And based on this relation over here, we find that TB is equal to 15 hours. So that means it takes Doug 30 hours to complete the project alone, and Becky 15 hours to complete the project alone. And together, they can complete it in 10 hours. Here's the next question. A sink is 1/4 full when both the faucet and the drain are open. The faucet alone can fill the sink in 6 minutes, while it takes 8 minutes to empty it with the drain. How long will it take to fill the remaining 3/4 of the sink? So I'll give you some time to work on it. And the hint is that you should probably think about relative speeds and kind of relate it to work rate and time.